Hey there, welcome back to Cool Product. If you love perfectly cooked grains but hate dealing with bulky appliances, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mini rice cooker models to save you counter space and time. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Elite Gourmet Mini Rice Cooker. The Elite Gourmet Mini Rice Cooker takes all the frustration out of making the perfect side dish for your family. If you are tired of standing over a hot stove and constantly watching a boiling pot, this clever appliance is exactly what you need to cook mouth-watering and fluffy rice every single time. It has the capacity to cook up to 3 cups of uncooked rice, which is the ideal amount for making delicious jasmine, basmati, or healthy brown rice effortlessly. You never have to deal with messy stovetop boilovers again. One of the absolute best features is the true set it and forget it functionality. You do not have to worry about constantly checking the water level or guessing if your food is fully cooked. The Elite Gourmet system evenly cooks your food, and the moment it is perfectly done, it automatically switches to a keep warm function. This means your delicious rice will stay fresh and warm for hours before you serve your meal. It completely eliminates the stress of timing your dishes to finish at the exact same moment. When it is finally time to eat, the smart design makes mealtime easier than ever. The inner cooking pot is fully removable, meaning you can lift it straight out of the cooker and carry it right to your dining table to serve your family directly. Because it comes out completely, cleanup is incredibly quick and completely hassle-free. This is perfect for busy days when you do not want to spend your evening scrubbing heavy pots in the sink. Safety and thoughtful details are clearly built right into this model. It is equipped with cool touch side handles that prevent accidental burns, allowing you to move the unit safely even while the food inside is piping hot. On top of that, it features a durable tempered glass lid. This clear lid allows you to easily check on your food at any time without opening the top and letting all the essential steam escape. To make your cooking experience even better, this machine includes 2 very handy bonus accessories. You get a dedicated measuring cup so you never have to guess the correct ratio of water, ensuring perfect results every time. You also receive a convenient serving spatula designed to scoop your food smoothly. The Elite Gourmet Mini Rice Cooker brings amazing simplicity to your kitchen, making your cooking experience completely stress-free. Next up, at number 4, we have the Aroma Mini Rice Cooker. The Aroma Mini Rice Cooker takes the guesswork out of preparing perfectly fluffy grains with its incredibly simple one-touch operation. Aroma designed this appliance with a set it and forget it mentality, so you never have to stand over a hot stove to monitor your food. You simply add your ingredients, press a single button, and let the machine do the hard work. Once your grain is finished cooking, the device automatically switches over to a convenient warm mode. This ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature until you are ready to eat. This device offers fantastic multifunctional use that goes far beyond just making plain rice. You can use this versatile cooker to prepare a wide variety of meals right on your kitchen counter. If you are in the mood for something savory, you can whip up a hearty jambalaya or cook a healthy combination of steamed vegetables and rice. You can even use this appliance to bake a delectable cake for dessert. This flexibility means you can cook daily meals and sweet treats in one single pot, saving you from buying extra kitchen gadgets. For everyday convenience, the included non-stick inner pot ensures your cooking experience is always a breeze. Because the surface is completely non-stick, your ingredients will not cling to the bottom of the pan while heating up. After you are finished eating, the cleanup process is incredibly fast and simple. The removable inner pot is fully dishwasher safe, so you can just put it right into your machine and relax. You never have to spend your time scrubbing dirty pots in the sink, making this an ideal choice for busy households. To help you get the most out of your new appliance, Aroma includes a wonderful bonus when you register your product. You will receive a free digital recipe booklet packed with 17 simple and delicious recipes specifically designed for this cooker. This takes away the stress of figuring out what to make, providing you with fresh ideas and exact measurements. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced home chef, this booklet gives you plenty of inspiration. With its smart features and easy cleaning, this device makes cooking completely effortless. Taking the 3rd spot is the Comfee Mini Rice Cooker. The Comfee Mini Rice Cooker is a smart and compact appliance designed to make preparing perfectly cooked meals effortless. It features a 2-cup uncooked capacity, giving you up to 4 cups of cooked rice. This makes it perfect for a single person or a couple who wants fresh food without massive leftovers. The portable size saves counter space and makes it easy to store in a small kitchen. It is also built with convenient side handles, making it easy to carry along for a weekend camping trip. What sets this appliance apart is the advanced fuzzy logic technology. Instead of just boiling water, this rice maker actually senses the moisture content of the food inside. It then automatically adjusts the temperature and cooking time to match exactly what is needed. This results in perfectly cooked and fluffy rice every time, completely eliminating manual adjustments and stressful guesswork. It also adjusts these parameters to perfectly cook other types of grains and dishes. This electric rice cooker offers ultimate versatility with 6 distinct digital cooking programs. You are not limited to plain white rice. With simple taps, you can choose quick rice, brown rice, oatmeal, hearty soup, slow-cooked stew, and even bake a cake. It perfectly satisfies a wide variety of daily cooking needs using just one compact machine. Operating the Comfee mini rice cooker is a great experience thanks to the user-friendly LCD touch control panel. If you are in a rush, the extremely fast cooking feature gets your meal ready in just 30 minutes. If you want to plan ahead, you can use the convenient 24-hour delay timer. Once cooking finishes, the automatic keep warm function takes over for up to 24 hours, ensuring your meal stays hot and fresh. When dinner is over, you will appreciate how easy it is to clean. The non-stick inner pot prevents sticky rice from clinging to the bottom. Additionally, the steam valve base and the upper lid are completely removable. This allows you to quickly wash away any trapped moisture or food residue, making your kitchen cleanup an absolute breeze. Coming in at number 2 is the Amazon Basics Mini Rice Cooker. The Amazon Basics Mini Rice Cooker takes the guesswork out of dinner by delivering perfectly cooked grains for your family. This appliance uses advanced fuzzy logic technology with a smart microcomputer that automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature. This ensures your rice is never too mushy or dry. It offers a fantastic 6-cup capacity, making it the ideal size to cook enough food for dinner without taking up too much room on your kitchen counter. To make your daily routine easier, Amazon Basics included 8 cooking functions in one device. You can switch between modes for white rice, brown rice, mixed grain, oatmeal, porridge, or a steam setting for vegetables. There is also a quick cook mode and an eco setting to save energy. You control this using the simple panel and large display. It features a convenient 24-hour preset timer, so you can set it early and come home to a hot meal, while the automatic keep warm function keeps your food at the perfect temperature. When dinner is over, you will appreciate the high-quality aluminum inner pot. It features a premium non-stick ceramic coating, meaning your rice scoops out without leaving a sticky mess behind. This makes cleaning the pot fast and simple by hand using just mild soap. To give you the best experience, Amazon Basics includes a handy measuring cup and a special rice scoop. These accessories help you get the exact portions before cooking and serve your family without scratching that beautiful ceramic surface. Because kitchen safety is a top priority, this device is designed with multiple protective features. The secure locking lid and specialized steam vent cap work together to prevent messy spills on your countertop. Inside the machine, a built-in thermal fuse actively monitors the heat to completely prevent overheating. It even comes with a detachable power cord, making it safer to move around your kitchen and easy to store in your cabinets. With its smart automation, this cooker makes daily meal preparation truly enjoyable. And finally, our top pick, the Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker. The Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker gives you a versatile and budget-friendly way to make perfect meals right on your kitchen counter. This compact 3-cup uncooked or 6-cup cooked capacity appliance is perfectly sized for families who want multiple servings without taking up too much space. What really makes this model stand out is the advanced fuzzy logic technology. Instead of just boiling water, this smart Japanese rice cooker senses the moisture content of your food. It then automatically adjusts the temperature and cooking time. This results in perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every single time without the need for manual adjustments or stressful guesswork. It also adjusts these parameters to match the specific needs of other grains to cook them to absolute perfection. Beyond basic grains, this machine features 8 distinct cooking functions. You can easily select white rice, quick cook, brown rice, mixed grain, slow cook, porridge, cake, and an egg setting. This means you can make hearty soups, stews, and sweet cakes. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned chef, it offers amazing convenience. Operating this appliance is completely effortless. It features an intuitive control panel with a large LED display for quick programming. If you have a busy schedule, the 24-hour delay timer allows you to set your cooking in advance so dinner is ready when you get home. Once finished, the keep warm and reheat functions make sure your meal stays delicious for hours. You even get a handy measuring cup, spatula, and soup ladle included in the box. Safety and cleanup are both handled beautifully. The lid locks firmly in place to prevent spills, and the detachable power cord prevents accidents caused by entanglement. It also features a thermal fuse and an automatic shutoff when the cooking cycle is done. Finally, the inner pot has a premium non-stick coating that washes easily with mild soap. The steam valve and vent cap on the top lid are completely removable, making wiping everything down incredibly simple and keeping your cooking area clean. Say goodbye to burnt, mushy rice for good. Check the price link in the description to find the ultimate kitchen companion for your home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more smart appliance reviews.